Our new head-up display is now wireless and boasts a larger, sharper display. Just like before, you can customize your driving experience by casting any app directly in your line of sight, and it works in virtually any car.
Hudly Wireless decreases the likelihood of an accident by letting you see both the road and vital driving information at the same time. Why not just mount your phone to the windshield? Not only does this block your view, but it also forces your eyes to refocus every time you look away from the road and down at your phone for directions. Hudly casts your directions into the distance, eliminating this need to refocus and increasing your awareness of what's happening on the road. Hudly also adapts to your environment, automatically adjusting brightness based on the lighting conditions outside. Best part? Setup is easy and there is no technical knowledge required.
The Airbubbl is the first proven technology that effectively removes more than 95% of both nitrogen dioxide and particles from inside a car. It's now well known that air pollution affects our health, especially those living in cities. However, what most people aren't aware of is just how bad the air in your car can be. Nitrogen dioxide levels, primarily from diesel emissions, inside your car cabin can be 10 times over the WHO limit. Sitting in a vehicle with your windows up in traffic is not the safe haven you might think that it is. That's why we've created the Airbubbl, the first proven technology of its kind that removes all elements of air pollution, including nitrogen dioxide, from inside a car cabin. The Airbubbl is optimized to protect drivers and their families in polluted cities, and professional drivers who spend hours on the road. Designed to fit on the back of the car headrest, the Airbubbl works by drawing polluted air circulating inside the car into the unit, before our proprietary filtration technology removes gases, particles, bacteria, dust, and odors. Clean air is then released back to the driver and passengers in the most efficient way possible, using advanced airflow dynamics.
Hey Chris, call Michael Garcia.
Calling Michael Garcia on the unknown number.
Play the sky from Psalm Trees. Hey Chris, send a text message to Brian Roca.
What is the message you want to send?
See you at the lake.
Sending it now. You have a new text message from Brian Roca.
Take me to the yacht club.
Starting navigation to 0 Web 17.
I'll drop Jacob off tomorrow after school